In the great name of Allah, Rahman and Rahim, the cherisher, the nourisher. Dear students, Unit 3.1 lesson from the Battle of Uhud is in progress. In the last lecture, I talked about a brief summary of the Battle of Uhud. Today, I will try to discuss the confusing words, the important idioms, and the key points of page 77. Let's read. Lesson from the Battle of Uhud. Lesson means outcome. The Battle of Uhud was an extension of the Battle of Badr. Extension means the act of extending. Addition. Battle of Uhud, we all know. The Quraysh of Makkah had been badly defeated at the Battle of Badr, smarting under the ignominy of their defeat at Badr. Dear students, look at this word. Smart under something is an idiom. What does it mean? To experience sharp, stinging pain. Smarting under means feeling annoyed. Though ignominy means deep personal humiliation. Ig is prefix, which means not. Nominy means name. It means loss of a good name. Of their defeat at Badr, the Quraysh of Makkah gathered a large army of 3,000 persons and marched to Medina to avenge their earlier defeat. To take revenge, the force was led by Abu Sufyan, who was the commander-in-chief of the Quraysh of Makkah, which included every adult from the Quraysh. The force was fully equipped with war weapons and accompanied by a considerable number of women who sang songs to inspire. Look at inspire. Aspire to inspire before you expire. This phrase simply means to positively influence an individual into action so that they fulfill their innermost desires before they die. Aspire means desire to do something. Inspire means the spirit of encouragement. Expire means to die. The Quraysh were confident. Confident means sure, optimistic. The opposite of confident is diffident. That this time they would win and teach the Muslims a lesson. The paragraph shows the reaction of the Quraysh of Makkah of their defeat at the Battle of Badr. They are assembling people to take their revenge. Now look at the second paragraph. When the Holy Prophet Muhammad came to know of the intentions means designs, aims of the Quraysh of Makkah, he held a council of war. Council means noun, a meeting for advice or discussion. Counsel is used as a verb, means to give advice. He was personally of the opinion that in view of the strength of the proper course means way for the Muslims was to remain in Medina and let the enemy besiege. Besiege means encircle the city. The idea was attack the city. The idea was that if the enemy besieged the city, its force would have to be dispersed in number of sectors, and the Muslims could strike a blow. Blow means punch, hit at the enemy where the enemy's concentration was the weakest. Concentration means attention. The younger elements among the Muslims, however, insisted that the battle should be fought in the open at some distance away from Medina. As I already told you, that Hazrat Hamza said, "By Allah who has sent the book down to you, I will not taste food until I fight them with my sword outside of Medina." Their argument means their reason, their explanation was that the enemy should not be allowed to approach Medina at any cost. Though the Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ believed that the defensive strategy proposed by him, Muhammad ﷺ, was the best in the circumstances in this respect, yet indifference to is a phrase means out of regard or respect for a person or a person's position or wishes. Look at these two words. Deference, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, means dissimilar. He knows the difference between right and wrong. Deference means respect, honor. We treat one another with deference. Enthusiasm means zeal, zest. Of the young men to keep the enemy away from Medina, he agreed to meet the enemy in the open outside Medina. The Muslims could assemble a force of 1,000 persons only. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ gave the order for the march to the battlefield, 300 hypocrites, Munafiqeen, led by Abdullah ibn Ubay, withdrew and went their homes. The Holy Prophet ﷺ was thus left with 700 persons only, and this was 1/4 of the strength of the enemy. The second paragraph throws light on a meeting of war chaired by our Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Two defensive strategies were proposed. One, to remain in Medina. Two, to fight in the open at some distance away from Medina. Since the second strategy was proposed by the younger elements in the Muslim force, in deference to their enthusiasm, our Holy Prophet ﷺ decided to fight the battle outside Medina. To sum up, to take revenge, the Quraysh of Makkah gathers 3,000 persons against Muslims, and the Muslims assemble 1,000 persons. Out of 1,300, Munafiqeen with Abdullah ibn Ubay ibn Salul retreated. This is all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.